Hi, DJ Spicy here from Hot Air, SL's newest and most unique nightclub. You know, Mardi Gras is March 4th this year, and Hot Air is having a Mardi Gras extravaganza on Fat Tuesday for 4 hours straight from 4 to 8 p.m. SLT. This is my third year doing this party and have gotten reviews like, best Mardi Gras party ever. Even better than real life, because nobody's peeing on your feet. Well, we'll have lots of Mardi Gras music, dancing, beads, debauchery. She like that word too? Drinks on the house and free random gifts from various SL creators. So get your costumes in order and set your calendar, because this ain't a party you want to miss out on. And to start you off, a little history of Mardi Gras. History dates Mardi Gras back thousands of years to pagan celebrations of spring and fertility, including raucous Roman festivals when Christianity arrived in Rome. The excess and debauchery of Mardi Gras became a prelude to Lent, the 40 days of penance between Ash Wednesday and Easter Sunday. From there, Mardi Gras spread all across Europe. Traditionally, in the days leading to Lent, merrymakers would binge in preparation for several weeks of fish and fasting. In France, the day before Ash Wednesday came to be known as Mardi Gras, or Fat Tuesday. Historians believe that the first American Mardi Gras took place March 3rd, 1699. How awesome is it that Mardi Gras is only one day late this year? When French explorers landed in what is now Louisiana, just south of New Orleans, it was a small celebration, and the spot was dubbed Pointe du Mardi Gras. In the decades that followed, New Orleans and other French settlements marked the holiday with street parties, masked balls, and lavish dinners. In 1763, the Spanish took control of New Orleans, thus banning these rowdy rituals. The ban was in effect until Louisiana became a state in 1812. On Mardi Gras in 1827, a group of students donned colorful costumes and danced through the streets of New Orleans, emulating the revelry they'd observed while visiting Paris. 10 years later, the first recorded New Orleans Mardi Gras parade took place, a tradition that continues to this day. In 1857, a secret society of New Orleans businessmen called the Mystic Crew of Comus organized a torch-lit Mardi Gras procession with marching bands, rolling floats, setting the tone for future public celebrations in the city. Since then, crews, spelled Krews, have remained a fixture of the carnival scene throughout Louisiana. Other lasting customs include throwing beads and other trinkets, wearing masks, decorating floats, and eating king cake. And mesha, if you never had a king cake, you need to try one. Louisiana is the only state in which Mardi Gras is a legal holiday. However, elaborate carnival festivities draw crowds in all parts of the United States during the Mardi Gras season. Purple represents justice, green represents faith, and gold represents power. Now that you know the history and what's in store, we hope to see you join us on Bourbon Street on Fat Tuesday from 4 to 8 p.m. SLT. See you there.